Well, it's official that Uber driver pay has been falling. We have a new study that just came out showing that Uber drivers and Uber Eats drivers earnings actually are going down. So we're gonna dive into that. But before we do, if you are looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity to start making thousands of dollars per month right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something I've been doing for over 5 years now. It was how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in here in SoCal. And on one of my channels in the past year, I brought in over $130,000 in the past 365 days. Some days bringing in over $1,000 in a single day. Even some days bringing in over $2,000. And if you go back to some of my months here, you can see the monthly breakdown: 37 grand in a month, 20 grand in a month. So if you want to learn how to do this, you don't need any experience. You don't need to be a genius. I'm not a genius or an expert. Well, I am now, basically, but I didn't start that way. But if you click my link, I'll break it down for you, and there's a 30-day free trial. So just try it out. If you don't like it, cancel it. It's no big deal. But once you join and start your page, I'm gonna help you get monetized, help you make money, right? We already have group members who have joined, started their channels, and started making thousands and thousands and thousands of views already. So click that link, join us. Let's get started. So Gridwise, which is a very popular app that basically links up with driver earnings and driver apps, and they can see all the data. They reported that gig worker pay on delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash as well fell up to 15% last year. Delivery gig workers made less money on Instacart, Uber Eats, and other apps in 2023, a new study found. Some worked fewer hours, but their earnings fell faster, Gridwise found. Gig work has become more competitive and many gigs pay less than they used to, contractors told Business Insider. Delivering for Uber Eats and DoorDash as a gig worker got less lucrative last year, according to a new study. So here's the data. Uber Eats drivers saw the biggest decline in gross earnings at 15.4%. Uber Eats workers made $472 a month on average last year. In the past year, there has been a marked decrease in the monthly average gross earnings of drivers. Instacart, they also fell. Grubhub, Grubhub workers saw their earnings increase, but they had to work 13% more hours. Rideshare drivers for Uber took the biggest pay hit at 17%. Holy moly. Rideshare drivers for Uber are the people who face the biggest hit on this. This is insane. So comment down below your thoughts on this. And again, if you're interested in making money, check out that 30-day free trial, no risk, no obligation to continue at all. This is my earnings from one of my channels from the past 365 days. Over $10,000 per month or 130 grand in the year. Some days bringing in over $1,000 in a day or 2,000 on some good days. So check that link out, watch my tutorial, join the group, join the community. Love to have you over there. People are loving it already. We have really good positive reviews. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it within the 30 days and you would never even get charged once. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. We'll talk soon.